Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video will focus on frequency tables. Let's go ahead and get started. For the first one, it says the frequency table shows the number of push-ups completed by 3 brothers in 1 minute. So Diesel completed 23, Braylon completed 19, and Hunter completed 37. What's the difference between the number of push-ups Diesel and Hunter completed? So basically, we don't need to know Braylon, so we can just cancel that out. Now, for a frequency table, you have your little tally marks, which is what, right here. This is 5, 5, 5, 5, which is 20 plus 3 more. That's how you end up with 23. If you're not actually given the frequency, you have to count your tally marks. And that's where maybe a careless mistake would come in. Hunter completed 37. All we have to do is subtract, and you end up with 14. All right, for the next one, it says the frequency table below shows Morris' favorite fruits. What fraction is mango and orange? So we only care about the mango and orange for our numerator or our part. And so in this case, it didn't count it for us. So we know it's 5 plus 4 is 9. Now you have to add the rest. So if I recommend to count each one separately. So this would be 8, that's 6, and that's 7. So 15 plus 6 is 21. I know for 9 that it's 3 times 3, and then for 21, it's 7 times 3. So I know that I can divide both of them by 3 to simplify. So 3 would be my greatest common factor. 9 divided by 3, or 1/3 of 9 would be 3, and 1/3 of 21 would be 7, or 21 divided by 3. So your answer would be 3 out of 7. All right, well, if this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.